Welcome to Bike Lab, where legendary motorcycles meet modern updates. Today's spotlight is on the 2026 Suzuki DR650S, a dual-sport icon that continues to prove why simplicity, durability, and versatility still matter in an increasingly tech-heavy world. A timeless dual-sport philosophy. The 2026 Suzuki DR650S stays true to its roots as a go-anywhere motorcycle designed for riders who value function over flash. Suzuki hasn't reinvented the DR650S. Instead, it refines a proven formula that blends on-road comfort with genuine off-road capability. This bike is built for adventure riders who want reliability above all else. Engine and performance. Powering the 2026 DR650S is a 644 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine known for its strong low-end torque and bulletproof reputation. The engine delivers smooth, predictable power that works just as well on highways as it does on dirt trails. Fuel injection continues to improve throttle response, cold starts, and overall efficiency, while maintaining the engine's rugged character. It's not about top speed, it's about dependable performance anywhere you ride. Chassis and handling. The DR650S uses a lightweight steel frame that keeps the bike balanced and manageable across varied terrain. Its long travel suspension absorbs bumps confidently, making rocky trails, gravel roads, and uneven pavement easy to handle. On the road, the chassis feels stable and planted, while off-road it remains forgiving and confidence-inspiring, even for less experienced riders. Suspension and braking. Suzuki equips the 2026 DR650S with adjustable front forks and a rear shock designed for versatility. Riders can fine-tune suspension settings for commuting, touring, or trail riding. Disc brakes front and rear provide strong, predictable stopping power, offering solid control whether navigating traffic or descending steep dirt paths. Ergonomics and comfort. The upright riding position remains one of the DR650S's biggest strengths. A wide handlebar, neutral foot peg placement, and comfortable seat make long rides surprisingly enjoyable. The seat height is accessible compared to many modern dual sports, making the bike welcoming for a wide range of riders. Whether commuting daily or riding all day on backcountry routes, comfort remains a key highlight. Design and practicality. Visually, the 2026 DR650S keeps its classic dual-sport styling with purposeful bodywork and minimal distractions. The simple design isn't just aesthetic, it's practical. Fewer electronics mean easier maintenance and fewer concerns in remote areas. The fuel tank offers solid range, reinforcing the bike's adventure-ready nature. Technology and features. Rather than overwhelming riders with advanced rider aids, Suzuki keeps the DR650S refreshingly simple. The instrument cluster provides essential information without unnecessary complexity. This straightforward approach appeals to riders who prefer mechanical honesty and ease of ownership over digital features. Reliability and maintenance. The DR650S has earned its reputation as one of the most reliable dual-sport motorcycles ever produced, and the 2026 model continues that legacy. Its air-cooled engine, proven components, and simple construction make maintenance easy and affordable. This is a motorcycle built to last for decades with proper care. Who is the 2026 DR650S for? The 2026 Suzuki DR650S is ideal for riders seeking a dependable all-rounder that can commute during the week and explore off-road trails on the weekend. It's perfect for adventure beginners, experienced travelers, and anyone who values durability, simplicity, and real-world usability over cutting-edge tech. Final thoughts. The 2026 Suzuki DR650S proves that timeless design and proven engineering never go out of style. It may not chase trends, but it delivers exactly what riders need. Reliability, versatility, and freedom on any terrain. For those who believe adventure starts where the pavement ends, the DR650S remains. A true classic, refined, resilient, and ready for anything.